think about the one area that you know is a part of your role and responsibility, but you have trouble embracing it. You have trouble learning it because you're not naturally good at it. When I was in high school, I almost didn't graduate. Now, I was a lousy student, right? I was really good at history and English. I got A's in history and English all the time, and everything else, I got D's. I was not a good student. And the reason I wasn't a good student is because I didn't study hard. But in my mind, I thought that the reason I wasn't good at those other subjects is because I didn't get them. So I was taking a biology class, and I was in the last semester of high school, and I was failing the biology class. But I had to pass the class in order to graduate from high school. And so therefore, on the last test of the class, I needed to get an A. And an amazing thing happened. Part of my role and responsibility as a high school student was to get an A so I could pass that class. And so I began to study the topic that we were covering. And the more I studied it, the more I realized that I understood it and I grasped it and I began to enjoy it, and a miracle happened. I got an A on that test, and therefore I was able to graduate from high school. Now, the lesson for you in terms of that technical knowledge that you might need, that you may not be comfortable with, is embrace the pain and the challenge of learning something new. And understand that there are aspects of your job that may not be comfortable, but you have to get comfortable with those aspects if you're going to be a successful leader.